Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be making a really quick peppermint shea butter soap. It's always nice to customize your own soap. Normally I use the honey almond essential oil, but I happen to have peppermint in the house, so I figured why not? We have the shea butter soap base that you can cut up into these separate cubes. I've already dipped into that package. Next we have the peppermint essential oil. And this little jar I'm just using for the dropper inside because the essential oil doesn't come with its own dropper, and a Pyrex measuring cup. And last we have the soap mold. I grabbed a cutting board and a knife to cut the soap up. I'm cutting it into 18 separate blocks because I just have the one soap mold and that should be just enough to fill it up. I broke the batch up in half to microwave it, so we have 9 squares in the Pyrex cup now, and we'll microwave them in separate batches. Now we'll heat it up in the microwave for about 30 seconds. This is what it looks like after 30 seconds. Still a little lumpy, so we'll put it back in and I'll keep checking it every 15 seconds until it's nice and smooth. Now it's out of the microwave and it has a nice smooth consistency. I just checked it every 15 seconds or so until it softened up, and now we're ready to add in the essential oil. I'd like a good amount of peppermint, so I'll add 10 drops in. And when you stir it, it smells really good. Now we're ready to pour it into the mold, and you can see we only have enough to do 2 bars of soap, but we'll make the other batch and we'll have enough to fill these 2. Now we'll pop it into the refrigerator and take it out after about 20 minutes. Okay, now the soap is nice and hardened and ready to pop out. If you ever have a hard time getting them out, you can just coat the mold with some oil and that will help. I did overfill a couple of these, that's why they look a little raggedy at the edges, but I can smooth that out. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.